I look like a ghost. I will use this and I will use that. You can say I like this concealer. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to get ready together, and I am also going to update you about the makeup products that I had in my makeup drawer for September. It's been a while, I know. I'm not going to do something special for today. I just have a lot of laundry and housework. Let me know your plans for the day and if you're going to do something different or housework like me. I will start with this primer. This is the Glow Boosting Pore Minimizing Primer with Pink Clay by Essence. I have also done a review for this one and I will have a card here if you want to see how it works on my skin with a mattifying foundation. And I have done also a wear test like always. So the whole makeup drawer idea, I like it, but in that video I have said that I was going to update you in 2 weeks, but it didn't work for me because there were so many products that I wanted to combine and test and see if they work for me. The 2 weeks timeline didn't work for me. I decided to update you at the end of September. At that time my husband got stung by a wasp, he was infected, and I was not concentrated, I was not very well to do the update for the makeup products. So tada! I'm doing that today. For foundation, I will use this one by Wet n Wild in Nude Ivory, and I will also mix it with the Makeup Transformer Drops by Catrice Cosmetics in Darkening to make a better color for me. This one here has a pink undertone. It's not the correct undertone for me. I need something more neutral or more yellowy for my skin. Even with the Transformer Drops, I don't have the perfect shade for me, but I can use it, and with powders and bronzing I can make my skin look good. So let's mix this. This foundation, I like it more with glow boosting primers. I have also tried it with the Fresh and Fit Awake Primer by Essence and it works very nice. I don't like that I don't have a matte finish with this foundation because I prefer matte foundations, matte powders, everything matte, and I just want to add a little bit of shimmer and highlight my cheekbones or my nose. I will blend everything with this disposable sponge because all of my sponges are very dirty. I don't have any plans for Halloween. This is not something that we celebrate in my country. Do you have any plans for Halloween, guys? Are you going to dress something? I wanted to tell you about the makeup drawer. The thing is that I like the concept of the makeup drawer videos, but I don't like filming them and editing them because I say all the time I will use this and I will use that and I will use this and this and this, and it is, I don't know, I think it is so boring. I don't want to do the video, I want to have a post on Instagram. So in the beginning of each month, I will have an Instagram post for my makeup drawer, and at the end of the same month, I will do the get ready with me, and we're going to get ready together with the updates of the products. For concealer, I will use the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in the shade 10. This is something that I use all the time because it works for me. It doesn't crease all day, it is very creamy, it doesn't dry on my skin, it doesn't make my skin tight, I don't have to apply and blend immediately, it doesn't set quickly on my skin. You can say I like this concealer. I will also do my favorites and disappointing products video for next week, so you can see the products from the makeup drawer that they were not the best for me, and also the products that I loved in a different video. I think this way it will be easier for me also to keep up and give you updates for any products that I review every month, because otherwise I just use the same products. I look like a ghost. We have been watching Clone Wars. I think we have seen all the seasons that you can find on Netflix. It is very interesting, and I think I like the story of Clone Wars more than Star Wars. And I am also waiting for the new seasons of the Star Trek. Yeah, of the Star Trek Discovery. I loved that TV show. I can't wait to see what happens in the second season. I hope it is not cancelled. I didn't check that. Foundation. For powder, I will use a fixing powder by Art Deco Cosmetics. This works all the time for me and it doesn't make my skin tight. Let me know what TV shows you're watching. We have seen the American Vandal season 2 a few weeks ago. The new series came out on Netflix and we watched all the episodes, I think the same day. Let me know if you have watched the American Vandal and if you like it. I am also planning to film the next 4 seasons makeup series video, and that video will be inspired by your favorite things about fall. So let me know in the comments what is your favorite thing about fall and what you like. A lot of you told me about the nature or coffee, fluffy blankets. For the first video of the 4 seasons makeup series, I have done a makeup inspired by one of my favorite decorations that I have in my house, and I will have a card here if you want to see that video. I want to see what are your favorites and I'm very excited about the second video. To contour my face, I will use this one here by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the matte bronzing powder in the color 30 medium bronze, and I will apply it with the brush 109 by MAC, and I will try to warm up a little bit my face because I look like a ghost now. All the products that I use are from the makeup drawer. I like this one, it blends very nice on my skin. I don't know what I will cook for today. Let me know what you have cooked. I think I look a little bit more presentable. For blush, I will use this one also by Catrice Cosmetics. This is the blush box in the color glistening pink. I will apply it with this brush. This is the L brush by Zerva Cosmetics, and these are the brushes that I had in my makeup school, and because everyone had the same brushes and I didn't want to lose my brushes, I had taped this little heart here so I could know that this is mine. I like these blushes by Catrice Cosmetics, and they have released a lot of different colors. They have released for lighter skin tones and also darker skin tones. They are easy to blend. You can build the intensity. To highlight my face, I will use this one by Essence. This is the Glow Baked Metallic Highlighter in the color Like You're Doing What You Love. I will apply it with the E40 brush by Sigma, and you can also use this brush for your eyes. I bought it many years ago for my eyes, but it is very big and it's not working for my eye shape, so I am using it for my cheekbones. You can use your brushes for whatever purpose you want. It gives a more frosty pinky effect on the skin. If you don't like something very intense, you will not like this one. You can try the Wet n Wild highlighters. I have the color Precious Petals and it looks like melted into the skin. It gives a very beautiful natural highlight. And after I have applied all of my face powders with big circular motions, I will blend everything. I think it makes all the products melted into each other and my face makeup looks more soft, blurred, blended. Time for the brows. I don't have the best brows on YouTube or on Instagram. I take a Q-tip. I will just remove any foundation that I have applied on top of my brows. I will use the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color medium brown. I will do my brows. I will not talk a lot because my brows are very basic. I need to concentrate to do my brows. On top of that, I will use the Lash Brow Designer by Catrice Cosmetics. This is a clear brow gel mascara that it's not clear anymore. I have done my eye look with the Eye Flirt palette by Essence, and I have also done a review with this palette. I will have a card here if you want to see the eye look and the review. In my makeup drawer, I had these three palettes: the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone eyeshadow palette, the Follow Your Heart eyeshadow palette by Essence, and also the Flamingo eyeshadow palette by Violet Voss. And I have done a lot of videos with these eyeshadow palettes. That's why I have used the Eye Flirt palette for my eyes, and also some of you wanted to see this eye look. All of these eyeshadow palettes worked very nice for me, and I like the pigmentation. I like how they work. They are very nice eyeshadows. In my makeup drawer, I also had this lipstick set by Revolution Pro, and I have done a review and a wear test and also lip swatches for this, so you can see how they work for me. And I also had these Marc Jacobs High Shine glosses in the colors Love Buzz and Some Girls, and I like them both. I will remove what I have now on my lips, and I have the Shine 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 lip gloss by Essence. This is in the color Dress Up Our Lips, and I will apply Some Girls by Marc Jacobs. I like these glosses. They are very shiny and glossy. I know that the Marc Jacobs High Shine glosses are very expensive, so I always get them in a lipstick set so I can save some money, and also I can get more colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these products and if you like them. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!